Savers.
Welcome back, guys.
Y'all, it's Vlogmas Day. I don't know what.
We don't
but
know.
But it's okay.
But just know that we are serving Vlogmas details all week.
There we go, y'all.
Also, I'm really excited because I don't have to work next week, so maybe we can get a little bit more of the behind the scenes.
I still got to work.
But Tamika's still off 2 days a week, whereas I'm off on the opposite days that she's off. So we're just excited that I don't have to work.
Yep. So, welcome back to Savers. I'm Tamika.
And I'm sitting.
And today we're going to talk about how couponing has changed.
Bam, bam, because we all know it has.
First of all, Cindy, how long have you been couponing? Think about that thing.
At least, was I couponing when I was 21, 20, 19? I think I was either 20. I think Tamika taught me in between 19
Cindy been doing it around
20.
9 years. I've been doing it about 13 years.
Yes.
So, I had to bring her in. If y'all don't know the story, Cindy was not trying to save no coins, okay?
Wasn't trying to save no coins.
She understands save coinage. She was out there just spending full price, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I reeled it in. Y'all took me where I had to reel it in.
Yes.
Do like this. This is how I do. I reeled it in. And she came along and we started saving on retail and much, much more, as you know.
Yes.
So we're going to talk about how it's changed. So since the beginning, y'all, my couponing journey is so funny because I always got, shop clearance. I never thought about a coupon in my life. I never did it. Shop clearance. One day I met this girl, and she showed me this show called Extreme Couponing, which is not real. It's not.
Well, we know extreme couponing is real, but we know that there are limits in grocery stores, etc.
Yeah, and they allow people to do things that were not. This is why it's not here today. And you might find some episodes from about 8 years ago now, because that's how long it's been. But anyway, I was introduced to that. I decided I'm going to go try it. I decided to follow a local couponer who is not here anymore, who taught me, went to a class. Boom, there you go. Then I started reeling it in.
Yeah.
And people kept saying to me, well, you should teach a class, or you should do this, and you should do that. And we taught our first class a long time ago now.
Yeah, y'all. We used to teach classes at Sagebrush, and I don't know if y'all are in the South. I know they have them in, I think, Virginia.
Yeah, I don't even know if they still
exist, but they have
honestly
closed so many of them. But that is who we started with. I don't even know. If
we
I can
went to
find
a
a flashback, I'll pop it up on the screen while we're talking about it. Yeah. Because I do have a lot of our original, imagery and all that stuff, guys. Y'all, if I put up a picture of what I used to look like, because see, what y'all don't know is I literally was 100 pounds all my life. I was literally almost 60 pounds lighter than I was right now.
It's fine. She's fine. She don't.
But you wouldn't even recognize me, honestly. You wouldn't think that was Cindy.
But that picture we got up there don't even look like us. But that's okay because we're going to New Year. Things don't change.
I'm trying to have my face okay. Anywho.
Okay. Hi, it's Tamika and Sandy from Sister Saving You Cents. And we just want to let you know we're having a coupon seminar October the 9th from 2:30 to 4:30 at Sagebrush in Kernersville. Now, if you're interested in getting tickets, go to our Facebook page, Sister Saving You Cents. Go under the events tab and register through Eventbrite.
Yep, from there you can find out more information and all the details. Like the fact that we have a $5 off coupon that you can use now to take money off your purchase, and the coupon code is 5OFF, and you have to spell that out. And also we'll be giving away a free gift for every person that's in attendance,
as long as you register through Eventbrite.
Absolutely.
Now we're also going to raffle a gift basket, this one, and you can sign up for that when you come into the event.
I think that's all we have to tell you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Yay!
Bye.
So that is where it begins. Couponing has changed a lot as the years have gone by. I remember days when we could go get stuff for literally free. There were no apps. There were no
money
apps.
back. Okay?
There was no apps.
No rebate apps existed at that time.
Didn't have an app or not. Still could get your stuff for free.
Yes.
Limits have changed. I was around when P&G had a limit of 4. Now we might be at a limit of 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Because people decided it's okay to use coupons on the wrong items. We do not support
wrong items, fraudulent
I'm not
coupons.
okay with using a Pampers coupon on some Fruit Loops.
We just don't do it.
We don't. We always been ethical couponers. Sometimes people think we cross the line. We ain't even crossed any lines, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, we try very, very hard.
Yeah. But it's a different world. When I started, like I said, it wasn't just me. I was out here getting stuff. Didn't have to have there was no Ibotta, no nothing. There was just, you got the coupons, you made You made a deal and it was free.
That's what we were very much used to.
Right. And when the world apps came in, it changed everything for us because we didn't even start off strong. Really, Walmart is what introduced Ibotta. I've been in Ibotta for a long time, but I never redeemed it.
Okay. We literally did not use Ibotta until last year when we started.
We
signed up when it first came out. It just was not our cup of tea. Period. I mean, it just wasn't.
Yeah, but then when you realize you lose the coins, you gotta go ahead and scan that receipt in. I thought it, honestly, when it first came out, I thought it was very tedious, and I was like, I don't have time to. I mean, because I was used to the world of where we just used our coupons and we got things for free. So when they said I gotta scan my receipt, I didn't even feel like doing it. Honestly, I didn't want to scan my receipt.
Half time, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I forget to scan my receipt now. I won't scan my receipt till 3 days later. I'm just a human. I'm forgetful, okay?
Okay, and we're very busy.
And yeah, so by the time I get home and I didn't edit this video, I forgot, and I didn't miss out.
The editor-in-chief, and I know y'all know that. Yeah. So by the time she did, I can understand that, because by the time I done worked, got my kids, made my dinner, sat down, I went to sleep.
Y'all can see what I be doing. Between like uploading the video and trying to cook steak at the same time, I be over here like
She talking about that. She talking about that. I'll be trying to figure out 3 crock pot meals a day because ain't nobody got time. It's very busy. It's hard. People, whether you know it or not, it's hard having this kind of YouTube channel. And like I told you on the previous video about what happened to us years before, I am a manager at a restaurant. Y'all, it's busy. I'm required to do a whole lot. And then on top of this, but this is the goal and the dream. And that's where we at with that.
Which is why we're trying to grow and evolve. So as couponing is growing and evolving, we're trying to adjust and learn and be better and do better and scavenge through these apps and find y'all the best deals because I think we all know that we're moving into a time where the coupons, if coupons or paper coupons are going to be around like they have been. Like, guys, do we really feel like it's coincidental that Saving Star was bought out technically, or maybe they were the same coupon program as coupons.com, but now we have the ability to have the same thing that we have in a printable, or even sometimes the paper matches in a coupons. You know what I'm saying? In the app. I think that we'll see more of that. I'm not saying that we'll have, what am I trying to say? I'm not going to say that we're going to have more apps pop up. Tamika, is you okay?
Yeah,
she over here tap dancing with her feet.
Anyways,
but you just never know because we do have Smart Source, and I don't know if that's coupons.com. You think that's coupons?
No,
it's
definitely not.
So
this is the thing. If you've been around them, you know what Saving Star is. Some of y'all don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
But also you got to think about that. Things have changed so much that it is possible that one day we'll wake up and there will be no printable coupons. Even y'all are saying we hearing some Walmarts and I don't even understand that. Like I don't
some Walmarts are no longer accepting paper coupons, which I don't think is in their policy. Ours still takes coupons.
Let me tell you something if you're a new couponer. Okay, first thing I did was when I first started coupon was printing out every store's coupon policy. So that way, if you don't know, I can show you where it says in your policy what you honor. And that's important.
Yeah.
That's not being a jerk. That's just being real about it. And look, these cashiers don't know. These people getting paid whatever. Yeah. And some of them don't care. So this is important. Print out your policies. Yeah. That way, if you can go in, and that's one thing you do as a new couponer. You don't know, look at those policies.
Yeah.
Find somebody who knows and carry around with you because that's what we used to do.
Absolutely.
Because people did not know. This is what your policy says and this is what I'm going by.
Yeah.
So if you got a problem with that, then let me call your corporate office.
And it does help because even with Harris Teeter, because there was a time when we felt like we knew that you could only use 3 coupons that would double, right?
Or 4
coupons. X amount are going to double, and then the others will be taken at face value.
Because only 20 will double at Harris Teeter.
Exactly. So it is so important that you know your policies, so that way you can maneuver. I think it's important to know what's a digital coupon, like a digital store coupon versus a manufacturer coupon, because there are some stores where you can stack those things. So it's just kind of, like I said, growing as the couponing world changes. And we are in a very much rebate-driven, clearance-driven, environment right
Different
now
world.
when it comes to couponing. So I think it's kind of not saying that if you're not techie, you won't be able to catch on. These apps, for the most part, are pretty straightforward.
Also, you got to understand that now the things that we used to get for free, we might be paying $1 for.
Well, also because prices have gone up so much.
So much.
And
you got to understand that, I feel like we'll always be able to get toothpaste for free.
Absolutely.
But that don't mean that we're going to get be able to get laundry care for free.
For forever.
Something that you might used to get. Like, I think if you get Tide for $1.99, it's great. But now it might be Tide for $2.49. Does that make sense? And that's a good deal. Or per sale for $2.49, because things are going up for $1. So back in the day, you can get per sale for free, or you can get Tide for 99 cents.
And that's such a good point, because the prices are going up, but the value of our coupons are staying the same.
In our area, some of them are higher and local, but in the same capacity, we still getting the same things in a different capacity. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So
anyway, the point is that yes, you just gotta go with the flow.
You're gonna have to
know
go
what
with
the
flow.
prices are.
Yeah.
Know what it is, and eventually, guys, at some point, we may be able to do classes again.
Yes, that is something that y'all don't understand. Y'all be talking about how y'all want to meet us. We want to meet our supporters too.
Yeah.
But we also want to do it when we know that it's the safest time, and we never want to put anyone at risk in any capacity.
Right.
Because we would feel horrible if something happened
Yeah.
to any of y'all, if it could have been something that we can prevent. So maybe we could start off doing like an online type of vibe. And I know you guys might
need
be
a coupon, and if you're interested, we'll make time for you. Just let us know.
Absolutely.
Okay?
I don't want y'all to think that we don't. I've ran into some people here and there. Tamika's definitely ran into more people
I had people
locally.
screaming at me and everything.
Yeah.
So,
but yes, we do teach. Y'all, we do. Now that we're both working, it's going to have to be very much planned, but we never want you guys to feel like we're not here to support you. We're there for you. So maybe that's something that we can introduce into the new year.
Yep.
Because we definitely have plans for the new year. We would really love to hear what you guys would want from us. We know that y'all want additional stores. Y'all have made that very clear. Yeah. But other than that, is there anything specific? If so, let us know in the comments, because we just kind of want to cultivate an environment to where we're teaching and we're learning and we're growing and we're all doing it together.
That's it, because y'all are wonderful. I'm telling you,
fantastic.
We got the best group on YouTube.
Yes.
Chill, these cents save us.
So we're just hoping that we can continue to save y'all cents. No matter what happens in the couponing world, that we'll figure out a way to always be budget savvy to just get things for 50 to 80% off, if not completely free.
That's it.
Because these companies do make money when we use their coupons. That's why they come out with coupons, okay?
And if they take them away, we'll figure out another way. It's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Big facts.
Okay, y'all.
So, guys,
if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day and stay tuned. Giveaways are coming.
Yes.
Bye,
guys. Oh, and we did hear that y'all want a live. So we are working on that.
We'll have a live next week.
And we will be able to announce that probably
Tuesday.
On Monday. Why not Monday?
Tuesday.
Monday or Tuesday. We'll announce, because we want to make sure that you guys can be in attendance.
Stay tuned.
And it will be probably in the evening.
Yes.
Because if we post our videos late in the day anyway, so we know that y'all are used to us being around between 6:30 and 7:30 is what the time I aim for, y'all. It don't always be that time. But anyways, all right, bye.
We'll see you.
Bye.